Okay, now that your filter hoses are all hooked up and you've probably got your garden hose in your swimming pool starting to fill it up and getting ready to go, this would be a great opportunity to make sure that your filter system is ready to go internally, whether you have a cartridge filter system or a sand filter system. If you've got a sand filter system, go ahead, dump your sand into the filter tank itself and start to mount that head onto the tank. If you've got a cartridge filter system, which is a lot more common, a lot of people clean their cartridge in the winter time when they winterize their pool. If you didn't have a chance to get to that, this would be a great time to do that. What you'll need for this, it's like a 5-gallon or larger bucket, plastic bucket, your cartridge filter, and then some cleaner. At American Sale, we offer 3 different solutions for you to clean your cartridge filter system. There's a simple cartridge degreaser, which will just spray aggressively all over the cartridge itself. Make sure it's kind of getting in the pleats, and then you'll let that soak for about an hour, and then you hose it down really good. Another option is by a pro team called Filter Magic. This is a really amazing cleaner. I highly recommend it. This you could put into a squirt bottle and spray on the cartridge, or you could put half that bottle in a 5-gallon bucket and submerge your cartridge in that. If the cartridge is taller than your bucket, go ahead and do half of it for an hour or two, flip it over, do the other half in the bucket for an hour or two. Same solution will work for that. It's very important though with this, because it is an oxygen-based cleaner, to rinse it off very thoroughly afterwards so you don't get a lot of bubbles and foam afterwards. Then the last option is new and really nice and easy and convenient. It's just a tablet. You go ahead, fill the bucket up with water, put your cartridge in there and drop the tablet in, and it's a fizzing action oxygen-based tablet, and it real aggressively knocks all the oils and dirt off of your filter cartridge. Again, once it's done soaking for an hour or two, then you're going to hose it very thoroughly and go ahead and get ready to put back into your filter body. So, kind of just make sure the threads catch. You're good, ready to go. Just look us up online at americansale.com, and we're here to help. Thanks for watching.